Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and in today's short video we're going to be adding more stickers to the sticker swap sticker box and the sticker swap sticker wall in a sticker swap shout out video. So I'd like to give shout outs to Matterhorn Woodworks, and he was kind enough to send me some ALF cards. Thank you for that. Backyard Freedom, Acacia Woodworks, Heart Boys Company Woodcraft, Roland Woodworks, established 2017, Blue Anchor Design Company, Muddy Bottoms Game, Calls and Woodworks, D&J Rustics, MSA Wood Creation, Dave and Angie's Adventures, and they sent me a nice little poker chip with their logo on it. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. The Traveling Crane, Woodcrafts and More out of Charleston, South Carolina. And she also sent me a little origami crane. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Organic Recreation Wood Shop, made in USA, Ohio. The Mad Tigger. Reclaiming the McEwens, hope that I'm pronouncing that right, RTM. And that's all of the stickers for people that I'm going to be able to tag on Instagram in the description box below. But I also have a few stickers here that I'm going to be adding. City of Burlington, Alamance Cafe Works, Custom Cafe Roastery, and Burlington is in Alamance County, so that's cool. Angry Girl, angrygirlwear.com. Whoops. Mobile Glass Blowing Studios, established 2015. And Kid United Technologies. This is a fire extinguisher company here in Burlington. A lot of stickers, a lot of great gifts. As always, for those that I can, I will leave links to their Instagrams in the description box below so you can go and follow them and ask to sticker swap with them. But right now, let's get the stickers up on the sticker swap sticker wall and the sticker swap sticker box. all of the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker box and the Sticker Swap sticker wall. I can now say that the Sticker Swap sticker box is all but full. I might be able to get 1 or 2 little more stickers on them, and the wall is really filling up. I think what I'm going to do is, once all the area around the banner gets done, that I'm going to take down the Artisan Pirate banner and fill in all the negative space behind it with stickers. I really love watching that wall and the box fill up and grow. It really inspires me every time I look up at them. That's about all for this video. Once again, I'll leave links in the description box below to all these amazing makers and content creators, so you can go give them a follow and sticker swap with them and socialize with them. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. Always challenge yourself to new and unique projects. I will have another one of my older videos floating in this corner, my subscribe button floating in this corner. Until next time guys, I'm the Artisan Pirate, and I'll see you real soon.